In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your presentation from PowerPoint into Google Slides. Whether you're looking to collaborate online, take advantage of Google's sharing capabilities, or just prefer the flexibility of Google Slides, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring it's as smooth as possible. To get started, open up your browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you have two options. You can either kick things off with a completely blank presentation or choose to open a Google Slides file you've already been working on. The choice depends on whether you want to start fresh or add to something you've previously created. Once you've set the stage by opening or starting your Google Slides file, it's time to bring in your PowerPoint content. You'll want to use the Import Slides feature for this task. Start by clicking on File in the top menu and then select Import Slides from the drop-down. This action will bring up a dialog window offering different options to bring your slides into Google Slides. In this dialog, go ahead and click on the Upload tab, which is where the magic happens. Here, you can either drag your PowerPoint file directly into the window if you have it handy, or if you prefer, click Select a file from your device. This second option allows you to browse through your files to find and select the PowerPoint presentation you wish to import. This step should be straightforward, whether your file is a .pptx or .t type. After uploading your PowerPoint file, you will see thumbnails of all your slides neatly laid out for you to choose from. At this moment, you have the flexibility to select specific slides that you want to bring over or choose Select All if you're transferring the entire presentation. Also, take this opportunity to decide whether you want to keep the original theme of your slides. Sticking with the PowerPoint design can be beneficial if consistency is a priority. But if you're working with Google Slides specific designs, opting out might make more sense. Finally, once you've made your selections and any theme decisions, simply click Import Slides. And just like that, the slides you chose will be added to your Google Slides deck, ready for you to edit, share, or present right from the cloud. This whole process not only facilitates collaboration with colleagues or classmates, but also empowers you with the versatile tools Google Slides has to offer. With this skill under your belt, transforming how you create and share presentations is now at your fingertips.